So today we're going to unbox my new Dell laptop. Picked this up on a Black Friday special, and as you can see it's the Inspiron 16-inch display with a webcam, the Intel Core i7-11800H processor, 16 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, and the graphics card is an NVIDIA 3060. So, let's see what she looks like. Now, I needed this for when I'm traveling, just so I can trade and keep up with all the normal things in life that we need to do. Whoops. I think we got it. All right, so now we're going to get this open here. Flat down. Let's see what comes out of the box. All right. What else we got in here? More paperwork. And that's everything for the box. And then we get our power brick. Oh damn, that's a pretty sizable power brick. 2 parts. It's a 65-watt unit. Okay. Standard paperwork. All your how-tos. Warranty information. And the also famous silicone pack. Alright, so let's open it up and pull her out the package. Oh, she's pretty good looking. Pretty good looking. Alright, before we pop the thing open, as you can see, your ports, HDMI port, USB port, USB-C port. That looks like a power port right there. Heat escapes vents. That's a good thing. I'm not sure what that is. That's a dent. Ah, we have a dent. Okay. The other side, headphone jack, microphone, USB, and a SD card reader. Maybe we send that back. I don't know yet. Let's see. It's only a dent. All right. Let's open her up and reveal what we got. The infamous static protector and the screen. This does have a 1440p screen on it. You can see here the iCore 7, RTX Studio, all the other little things here, Thunderbolt 4.0. Oh, and it's Wi-Fi only, does not have a LAN connection to it. Okay, I think that's going to wrap up this video. I will go through the process of getting it started, getting it set up, and ready to go. Remember, this laptop I paid $1,250 for it on a Black Friday special. But if you use Rakuten, and I'll leave a link down below, if you use Rakuten, you can get up to 12% back, cash back on this product as well. So, with that, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, and or subscribe. We'll see you next time.